What's up, guys? You know who it is. I'm back with another video, and I'm making this video because it was highly requested. This is what's on my desk and my setup. So as you can see here, I'm rocking a dual display 34-inch ultra wide curve AOC monitor. I have a Samsung 27-inch ultra wide curved monitor as well. This is a 2K, that is a 1080p. I have my mount here for my mic. Typical mic stand, nothing crazy. And these two sensors I have here are for my VR that I'll show you in 1 minute. I do have my MagSafe mount, which charges my phone and my AirPods dual. This is a Alex desk from IKEA. So you can choose your top desk. You can get white, brown, black, and then the cabinets also you can get in different colors. I got this together from IKEA. My desk is a little unorganized right now because I do use this. This is not just for display. This is my workstation, my gaming station, my everything. So normally it's real organized, but I do use it a lot lately, so it's kind of a little messy. It's not perfect, but this is the way I use it. That's also my gaming chair that I got from IKEA. Pretty minimal and slim. I like the way it looks. And on top, you can see here, I have my iPhone art that I made. I did not buy these. These were my old iPhone devices, and I broke them down and I framed them. So back to the desk. This is what I game with on certain games. This is an Xbox controller for the Series X and S. So it's a Type-C charger, and in the red color. So my favorite color is red, as you can tell. You can see the theme here is red. This is my extra large matte. It's more of like a maroon color. It's real nice, really slick. I've had it for a while, and you can see it's still clean. It doesn't leave any dirt or marks or anything like that. That I picked up on Amazon for about 10 bucks. This is a Red Dragon mechanical gaming keyboard. This is Bluetooth also, as well as Type-C. And you can have multiple devices hooked up to this keyboard. This is also my Logitech gaming mouse that I use. This is wired with USB Type A. And then when we get to the custom built PC, this I made myself. I bought the case. This is a Thermalake case, open frame case. I love these because it exposes all the components of the PC and you get to see your art. Yes, I know a lot of people put them in cases for certain airflow performances and stuff like that, but I got mine water cooled, so I'm not having any issues. I run this on VR for hours and gaming for hours, and I have no issues. This is my 2070 Super GPU. Some people are out there spending thousands of dollars on GPUs. Man, you guys need to stop. I got this for a good amount of price, and it runs my games in 2K and high frame rates with no issues at all. This is my power supply, a CX750 from Coursera, as well as my memory that I have from Coursera as well. That's just a 16 gig card. This is my radiator for my water cooled system that I have here, 3 fans. And that's my reservoir there that holds my liquid. As you can see, it goes up into the CPU. This is also a Thermalake water cooled kit that I bought. And then that goes back up to the radiator. Works really well in my opinion so far. I love the results that I'm getting with this. And then that is my Harry Potter wand right on top, just to top it off. I'm telling you guys, if you're looking for an open frame case and you're gonna do water cooling and a lot of customization, this is the easiest way to do it because you have so much extra space. You don't have to worry about being in a confined space in a small box. This works out amazing, and this you can get on Amazon for about 120 bucks, that case. So pretty good pricing. Right here I do have my Oculus Rift set up. I've been playing I forgot the name of it. The Half-Life game that came out. Really good game. If you're looking for a good VR game, that's a one to play. And these are the controllers for the VR. So pretty cool. I know it's more of an older design, but it still works great. The clarity is still good. The speakers are really good, and I have no issues with it, so no point in upgrading. This is my T-Mobile home internet system. Really good speed and performance for the amount I pay. I pay $30 a month for unlimited 5G internet, and I'm getting 100 up, and I'm getting about 400 or 500 down. Some crazy speeds off of 5G, and I have that plugged in through Ethernet. So nothing crazy, but this is my everyday workstation. Like I said, I use it for gaming and multimedia and work, and I use this for everything. So this is it, man. So far, so good. If I do add a couple things to it, I will make another video. Oh, I just forgot here. This is my battery pack with four battery packs for the Xbox controller. So I put the packs in here, and it charges all four simultaneously, and it works great. I got that on Amazon too. I think I paid like 15 bucks, something like that. Nothing crazy. But that's pretty much my setup, guys. If you guys have any questions about anything I have here, let me know, and I will let you know where I got it from. Other than that, guys, as always, have a blessed day, and thank you for the support. Peace.